You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this French word meaning a change. How do you say change in French? Changement. Changement. I believe it's used in ballet dancing. If you want to learn more ballet and more French vocabulary, stay tuned. Changement. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.